Okay. We're talking about data centers, and I want to talk to you about the inside. Take you inside the energy appetite of a data center. Do you have any idea at all? If you imagine, for example, having to power 10,000 homes. Now, instead of powering 10,000 homes, you redirect that electricity just one building filled with blinking lights, cooling unit. That's what a data center is. Now, welcome now to the secret energy puzzler of the digital age, the data center. Yeah? So let's talk about that in a minute, guys. Let's go. Hey, how are you doing? My name is Tony. I'm the founder and CEO of Renewables in Africa, and we raise awareness about renewable energy and sustainability. If you're interested to expand into Africa, we are your eco bridge to this market, and we can help with visibility, with lead, but also deals. So if you're looking to decarbonize, we are again your eco bridge to sustainable pathway, and we can help with carbon footprint assessment and carbon reduction strategy. Yeah. So talking about the data centers, would you know that a single rack can consume 7 kilowatts? That's like running seven electrical kettles, 24/7. And most centers have hundreds of racks, data centers, right? And if you talk about cooling, cooling is about 40-60% of total energy use. So African temperature mean cooling loads are massive. You know that, right? So when you travel to a country or you live in a continent, you know that you always need to cool yourself because it's quite hot, right? Making energy efficiency vital, right? So that's what you gotta understand. And also the power usage effectiveness. So the PUE is the efficiency metric. So the closer to 1.0 it is, the better. And Africa data centers are averaging 1.5 and 1.8, leaving room for clean energy integration. So that's a lot that we could do there. Yeah, just to give you an idea. And those diesel backup are common, but also problematic because at the moment those data centers can't find any alternative. That's what they're using. So many of them use diesel generators for backup, contributing to carbon emissions and high operating costs. Yeah. So you want to develop a system where you have uptime which equal to money. So data centers are tier rated. You have the tier 4 that requires about 99.995 uptimes, which is why energy supply must be ultra stable. Yeah. So the power profile of a data centers is brutal. Yeah. But also full of opportunity. So we are in an era where we're using a lot of AI, which require a lot of data centers, digital age. And I'm personally also a big consumer of that. But I'm also saying that it comes with a price that we need to pay in the fact that that energy, if it's not coming from clean sources, it's actually rejecting into the atmosphere a lot of CO2s. So the smarter the energy mix, the stronger the data backbone is. So that is what I like you to understand, my guys. Yeah, let me know because you're probably very much involved into data center or having some interest in data centers. So I'd like to hear from you to see what you're thinking about that. Okay, excellent. Take care.